In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join a Telegram group by scanning a QR code. Let's get started. So first, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to scan. Next, go to the Settings tab by tapping on the three-line menu in the top left. Then, select Devices. In the Devices section, simply tap on the Scan QR code. This will open up your camera. Now, point your camera at the QR code you want to scan. Telegram will automatically detect it, and you'll then get a prompt to join the group. Next, tap Join Group to become a member. And that's it. You're now ready to chat in the group.